What happens in our bodies when we experience sudden relief from tinnitus? This captivating scenario unfolds like a mystery where the deafening internal symphony abruptly ceases. As the persistent ringing vanishes, the changes in neural pathways and brain activity are remarkable. The auditory system, long accustomed to the constant noise, begins to readapt and recalibrate. Surprising shifts occur as neurons previously firing in hyperdrive find new equilibrium. This extraordinary occurrence offers insight into the brain's adaptability and reveals the potential for innovative treatments.